kids that have had a talk-rich offer in maths perform better than the ones that didn't. And in particular, pupils who come from a more disadvantaged background, if they have opportunities to develop their talk, again, their outcomes, their attainment in maths is better if they've had opportunities to talk. So there's a kind of clear link between these ideas and the impacts that they can have. And I've used this before for UK colleagues who sometimes might think, well, it's a bit of a luxury, we've got to get through the curriculum. Why bother doing talk tasks? Why bother doing a triad when you can just tell kids the answer? Well, actually, the evidence shows that if you do get kids to talk, and that through talk does have an impact on outcomes. So this is, again, it's UK kind of specific. I'll let you have a little read. The first one is plans frequent exploratory talk opportunities. So the idea there is that you're not going to get kids to talk well in maths if you don't actually plan for it. You've got to think about it and actually deliberately say, I want to get my kids talking, and I'm going to find opportunities to make that happen. And that's not easy, because in maths, questions are better for talk than others. And it's hard to know always what those questions are. And I'll show you some examples of good talk questions that do foster talk. Using manipulatives as a tool for talk. So manipulatives are anything that you would use your hands to help encourage the learning process. So you might use cubes to count with. You might use an abacus. You might use any number of objects. You might use Numicon pieces to show number. A manipulative could be even something like a graphing tool or shapes, physical shapes. But we recognize that actually having something to hold to show what you think is a really good way to actually encourage kids to talk. So when in maths you're exploring questions, having manipulatives that help kids to show their understanding is really, really important. And